unfortunate incident where this young girl, 4-year-old girl, died in Nongrah. If you can tell us what is the status?
Well, I think from the police team, we have already given the statement. So, see what happened was because that boy, he was also only 12, 13 years old. That boy, he already confessed everything. I think we came out with this statement. So that statement, continue. But of course, I've already instructed the SIT also to go further deeper. Why it happened? Why that unfortunate incident happened that way? And number two, why that boy did not inform immediately about this incident? Why he kept quiet? Why he pretended as if he don't know anything? So the team is still on to really get into a deeper facts where if I personally feel if they have any kind of hiding somewhere here.